Biomolecules, very short answer questions, 2 marks. 1. Give one example for each of amino acids, sugars, nucleotides and fatty acids. Amino acids, example glycine and alanine. Sugars, example glucose and ribose. Nucleotides, example adenylate acid and thymidylate acid. Fatty acids, example arachidonic acid and palmitic acid. 2. Explain the Zwitter ionic form of an amino acid. At specific pH, the amino acid carries both the positive and negative charges in equal number and exists as dipolar ion. It is called as Zwitter ionic form. 3. Glycine and alanine are different with respect to one substituent on the alpha carbon. What are the other common substituent groups? Common substituent groups on the alpha carbon of glycine and alanine are hydrogen, carboxylic group and amino group. 4. Starch, cellulose, glycogen, chitin are polysaccharides found among the following. Choose the one appropriate and write against each. A. Cotton fiber. B. Exoskeleton of cockroach. C. Liver. D. Peeled potato. A. Cotton fiber contains cellulose. Exoskeleton of cockroach contains chitin. Liver contains glycogen. D. Peeled potato contains starch. What are primary and secondary metabolites? Give examples. Primary metabolites. The metabolites have identifiable functions and play known roles in normal physiological process are called primary metabolites. Example: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, amino acids, etc. Secondary metabolites. The metabolites do not have identifiable functions in the host organisms are called secondary metabolites. However, they are useful for mankind. Example: alkaloids, flavonoids, rubber, essential oils, antibiotics, gums, etc. 6. Distinguish between apoenzyme and cofactor. Apoenzyme. Protein part of a holoenzyme is called apoenzyme. Cofactor. Non-protein part of a holoenzyme is called cofactor. 7. How are prosthetic groups different from coenzyme? Prosthetic group. An organic cofactor that is tightly bound to the apoenzyme. Coenzyme. An organic cofactor that is loosely bound to the apoenzyme. What are competitive enzyme inhibitors? Mention one example. The inhibitors structurally similar to substrate molecules and compete for the active sites of an enzyme. As a result, the enzyme action declines. Example: inhibition of succinic dehydrogenase by malonate, which closely resembles the substrate succinate in structure. 9. What are oxidoreductases so named? Enzyme which catalyze oxidation and reduction between two substrates, S and S prime. Hence they are called oxidoreductases. Example: S reduced plus S prime oxidized gives rise to S oxidized plus S prime reduced.